I'm going to show you how to submit an audio from the Schoology app. Go to the course where your assignment is. Open your assignment. When you click here, it looks like there's no option for you to submit anything. You're going to have to click on Submissions. Click on the plus sign at the top, and I'm going to record audio. Okay. And I'm going to tap this button to begin recording. Again, for this one, I had a specific assignment. My name is Mrs. Jenkins. Mrs. Jenkins. My name is Mrs. Jenkins. Okay, I can play it to hear it. My name is Mrs. Jenkins. Okay, I click the green check mark at the top, and it has been submitted.